morning guys, it's our day 4 here in Italy and we're joining a group tour and this is our last day in Rome and we are on our way to Venice. So see you there. Oh, magbitrata! Start na ng bootcamp! Kaya pa? Kaya pa? Kaya mukat?
Ito na ang unang araw ng bootcamp. Purong bootcamp. Kaya pa? Laban lang. Basta lahat. Basta lakwat siya.
Lakwat siya galo.
Maganda lang sa picture. Pero jay. Pagod na.
Buwan siya. Ano na? Laag pa kazay.
A few moments later.
Grabe guys, para kami nag-amazing race. From the metro, kailangan namin pumunta dito sa bus station. And we have only 4 minutes to spare. And apparently, para mahabol namin yung bus. But apparently, delayed yung bus. Ay, yung bus tour kasi namin will leave at 7:30 and from our hotel to the meeting point which is Excel Roma Montemayor, the travel time is around 1 hour because of yung change ng train and bus and then kasama na din yung walking time. And unfortunately, gusto sana namin mag-taxi pero walang nag-accept ng booking namin. Hindi din kami kasya sa mga taxi dito kasi marami kaming luggage as you can see. Marami kaming luggage. 8 packs kami. Hindi ka kasya sa taxi. Dapat airport taxi. Yung mga vans na good for 8. Kaya yun. Grabe ko nakita nyo lang kami kanina. Para kaming lumabas yung adrenaline ko dyan. As in. So ayun. And good morning pala sa inyo. Start na ng Europe adventure namin. We will be traveling around Europe and visit 7 countries in total. Kasama na doon yung Italy. And time check right now, 6:50 in the morning. So dapat before 7:30 nandun na kami sa meeting point. Otherwise, may iwan kami ng bus and we have to travel on our own to Venice, which is from here around 4 hours. So, wish us good luck guys. Update ko namin kayo kung maabutan namin yung bus tour. So, this is our bus guys. Finally, nakarating na din kami dito. Hindi kami naiwanan. We just made it on time with a few minutes to spare. Kaya niloload na yung bus. Ay, yung baggage namin. Sabi puno. Yeah, so excited guys.
Some of you here already traveled with us. I believe I see some familiar faces. For how many of you first time in Europe are traveling on a coach?
Yes.
Oh my God, I got fair few virgins here. Good, we'll change that. So if you think you sign yourself for the holiday, think twice. If you think now you're tired because you've been working, you have no clue how you're going to be feeling after those 12 days, okay? Did you read the itinerary? Yeah. Do you realize how much we're going to do in a short time?
Yes.
Do you understand we're traveling in a low season?
Yes.
Do you know that the daylight is short? Yes. Do you know you're going to see most things in the dark?
Yes.
Now you're laughing, aren't you? You're like, dear God, what have I done?
guys, we're just on a toilet break and much needed stretch time. Mukhang may 2 hours pa bago kami makadating ng Venice. Tapos na kami mag toilet break and we'll just check out the cafe kung anong makakain doon. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa parang isang pit stop where we're going to have lunch before we go all the way to Venice. And it's a unique stop kasi it's above a motorway and it's a self-service. So ang style dito is kukuha kayo ng kakainin nyo, and then once you get all you want, pupunta kayo dun sa cashier to pay everything. Yun lang, ganun lang kasimple. Meron din namang parang parang sandwich shop sa baba. Kung gusto niyo lang ng mga sandwich, dito sa pinakataas is yung parang restaurant style. And then you can buy drinks and everything.
This is lunchtime na, so we're in this motorway in between 2 stations. Sa taas kami ngayon, overlooking the main road.
Ito guys, ang in-order ko, tortellini with mozzarella. Naghati na lang kami ng kapatid ko kasi sobrang dami. 12.90 euros pala to. Itong mozzarella may iba siyang presyo. So kung nagtitipid kayo, sabihin nyo sa cashier na you don't want the mozzarella. Pero masarap din pala pag may mozzarella. Tip lang, pag makyat kayo dito, make sure na to take note of this sign. Ito is pabalik ng Rome, and then dun sa kabila is papunta ng Venice. So dun kami sa kabila mag-exit. So make sure tandaan nyo yung exit nyo. Otherwise sa kabilang kalsada kayo dadaan at baka magpanik kayo, hindi nyo na makita yung bus nyo. Kung ayaw nyo ng pagkain sa taas, pwede din kayo dito sa baba. Puro mga panini, mga pastries, yun lang ang mga choices dito, and fruits. Dun sa taas is as in Italian dishes talaga, like pasta, and may international din like steaks, burgers, fries, yun lang. Guys, meron din sila guys mga pangpasalubong dito. Sabi nung guide namin, mas mura daw dito compared sa mga supermarkets. Like, ito, naka 20%, discount, 40%, 35%. Ito pala yung bus namin, guys.
We'll be on the island of Venice. And first thing we'll do, we go first for the water taxis. Okay, you remember your number. I'll say that boat 1, boat 2, boat 3, whatever, gonna direct you to where to go and grab the boats. As soon as the boats arrive to Venice, okay, because I usually take the last boat on the list. So that is very much so known for, in particular with the seafood. Seafood here is big because we, of course, on the water. The squid, black ink squid, kind of.
Hey guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Venice or sa Venezia, and kaka-check-in lang namin dito sa hotel. Grabe, pag nag-join ka pala ng bus tour, sobrang nakakapagod. And talagang mabilis dapat yung kilos mo. From the pit stops hanggang sa pag-check-in. And good thing is, ang advantage lang is naka-ready na lahat. And papakita ko sa iyo yung hotel namin. We're staying right now here sa Hotel Venezia, and it's all paid, kasama na siya sa tour. So I'm going to give you a quick tour. Wait lang. So, pagpasok mo sa dito sa entrance, may toilet na attached. And then, oh, good thing may bidet. Bidet is life. And then, ayan. My shower. And then, I don't know what that is for. And then, ito na the room na. Ayan. Si Ate Belia, yung roommate ko. Say hi, te.
Hey, guys.
Sobrang liit lang, guys. Parang, remember ko yung room namin sa Japan na ganito din kaliit. Kung marami kang luggage, ang hirap buklatin. There's a space here, so kami nila mag-figure out niyan paano gawin. And then, ito, may wardrobe. May safe. Here's the safe. And then, ang view ng ng room. It's just a parking lot. Maliit lang talaga siya. Parang 2 to 3 stars ang ang rating. Ayan. Ayan. We're just preparing, guys, kasi binigyan lang kami ng until 3:20 and time check right now is 3:10. Kumusta naman? Ha? Hindi to bakasyon, guys. Bootcamp ito. Pupunta pala kami ngayon sa Venice Island. First, from here, we'll take the tram to the to take the water taxi. And then the water taxi will bring us to Venice Island to no? Venice Island.
To get to the gondola.
Yeah, to experience the gondola. And then later we will have dinner, which is already prepared by our tour. Pero itong gagawin namin sa Venice Island is an optional excursion. So magbabayad kayo ng additional na 120 euros. Yun ang But the rest of the trip, it's already paid for. Kasama na lahat. May mga certain countries lang na nag-offer sila ng optional excursion tour. Like sa Switzerland, yung Jungfrau Joch, which will also gonna be availing. Itong sa Venice, hindi sana kami mag-avail. But when our tour guide explained everything, and sabi naman niya, it's worth it. Kasi, wala na kami problemahin. And it's really hard daw to navigate in Venice. Baka mahirapan kami or maligaw kami and we won't make it on time. Mas maaga yung dating ng evening. Mas maagang dumilim. Ayun. So baka mahirapan kami. So we just decided to take the tour. Ayun. So see you guys later. Papunta na kami sa tram, guys. Grabe, sobrang fast pace. Pag na-late ka, papalakpakan ka, guys. Kaya, pag sumali kayo sa ganito, don't be late. So, this is the tram station where we are going to ride the tram. So, guys, walang tram. So what we did is nag-bus na lang kami. Same way lang din daw to papunta sa Venice Island.
Alrighty, welcome to Venice. We made it.
Yay!
Alright, you remember your water taxi numbers?
Yes.
Awesome.
So sasakay kami dito, guys, sa water taxi, and we're going to ride water taxi number 4.
Alright, guys, boat number 1 and boat number 2, you're departing from here. Okay. Number 3, number 4, number 5, we're gonna go on that side. You see that guy with a yellow jacket? Yeah. Go. So first we're gonna go 3, 4, 5.
Mads! Bilia! Atarim! Fast-paced, guys! Huwag kang pakikay. Dapat, talaga, always on the go. gosh, I can't believe it talaga na nandito na ako. Imagine they call this a street, not canal. Technically, it's a canal, but it's a street here. Kasi there are no roads, no vehicles, only ano lang, mga water taxi. There are no buses here, just water taxis. Fast-paced talaga, guys. Kailangan yung bantayan yung tour leader nyo. Otherwise, mawawala kayo dito. Day 1 pa lang yan, ha. Day 1 pa lang yan, guys. Nang tour na kami. Feeling ko na sa Amazing Race kami. Grabe. Kaya sasakay na kami sa gondola. Ito guys, katatapos lang namin mag-gondola. And buti naka-timing kami ng driver na mabait. Gondola, ano bang tawag dyan? Navigate ang gondola. Mabait siya. Yung sa kapatid ko daw, medyo masungit. Kaya hindi nila binigyan ng tip. Kami binigyan namin ng tip ng 5 euros. Kasi pinicturean pa niya kami. Kumanta pa siya kahit sandali lang. Swerte din kami kasi yung mga nasa likod namin, may gondola doon na kinakantahan sila, but I think may bayad yun pag kung gusto mong magpakanta. Kaya ayun, it was a nice experience. Surreal, so surreal. Parang nakikita ko na to sa Italian Job, sa yung dumadaan sa kanal ng Venice. But now, oh my gosh, na-experience ko na talaga siya, guys. Kaya I'm so thankful. Lalo na kay Lord na na-experience ko to. So, yun lang. Ngayon, hinihintay pa namin yung isa ko pang kapatid and cousin ko. And then, we will explore Venice. And then, magmi-meet kami ng group namin at 6:20 p.m. And right now, it's still 5:15 p.m. So, may time pa kami mag-explore at mag-picture taking. And then, once na mag-meet kami, our tour leader will take us to the restaurant that we're going to have dinner. So see you there. Explore muna kami dito kasi meron pa kaming time. bago mag-regroup. Late lang ng kalye dito, guys. And then surrounded with shops. Like that one. Ayan o. Kalaman si pizza. Sarap ng pizza, guys. Pero magdi-dinner kami. So, konting taste lang. Then, may mga shops dyan. Yan. May mga branded, meron ding hindi. Look at the leather, guys. Oh. Ganda.
Stasyon.
We're here sa shop na nagbebenta ng mga cannoli. And I bought this one. $3.50.
Banana?
Wala kasing dessert mamaya sa dinner namin, so I bought this try. Buonasera! It's already evening here in Venezia, and it's already almost 6 p.m. 20 minutes na lang magre-regroup na kami ng ng group namin here at the astrology under the astrology clock. Excited na ako mag-dinner, nakakagutom. And gusto ko na itong itry itong cannoli. Andito ako ngayon sa Piazza San Marco, and ganito ang itsura niya at night. Love it! Dito na kami, guys, for dinner. Medyo na late lang kasi may nahuli pa ng mga kasama namin. So, in order ko is the ravioli, and I want to try their Aperol Spritz kasi parang nagka-trending ata yung lately. And excited na akong matikpan yung Aperol Spritz and the ravioli. Yeah, you'll be shown on my YouTube channel. Cheers! So, andito na yung guys, yung ravioli ko. I'll try. And ito pala yung Aperol Spritz. This one is made with carbonated water, Prosecco, and Aperol, which is kind of liquor here in Italy. Very popular drink. Let's try. Sakto lang yung lasa, not too salty. Ito pala yung lasa ng ravioli. This is my first time to try a ravioli. And finally, try natin tong yung cannoli veneziani na nabili namin dun malapit sa Rialto Bridge. Dito guys, tinake out ko lang kasi wala daw dessert dito kasama. So this is my dessert. Try natin. Cream, and then may hint ng coffee. Sarap siya. So guys, we're done with our dinner, and the tour leader gave us some time to explore again Venezia. May 1 hour pa kami para mag-explore on our own. We will regroup again at 8:20. So time check right now, it's already 7:15. Pero ako guys, parang gusto ko na bumalik sa hotel. And namimiss ko na din yung anak ko. Pero sa klase ng tour na to na sobrang fast-paced, mukhang hindi pa kaya ng anak ko. Hindi ko pa kaya siyang isama. Baka mahirapan pa siya.
Ayan na nga ni sister.
So guys, pauwi na kami. We're going to take the water taxi again back to the mainland. And kompleto na kami. Wala lang nawala. So, see you guys again later.
Alright, I need boat number 1
Coming!
and boat number 2. Just one by one, slowly, slowly, don't rush.
Up. Rialto Bridge Day. Venezia at 9. Malapit na kaming dumating guys sa mainland. It was really a nice experience. Sulit yung binayad namin ng 120 euros. Busog na kami. Dami pang memories na na-capture. Amazing! I'm so happy that I'm here. I wish na kasama ko yung anak ko. So happy guys. I'm so happy. Tinawag na kami ng mother duck. Nandito na kami ulit sa mainland. And we're going back to our hotel. Ayan si mother duck. Si Roma. We're here, mother duck.
Oh, look at you. The bus we took in is better for reason that bus terminates where we started. It means a very last stop. Yeah. Right, guys, can we move back a bit? Let people walk the bus, okay? And then see the menu.
Pauwi na kami. Lalakad na kami papuntang hotel. Kakapagod guys. Day 1 pa lang to ha. Kung kikay talaga kayo or ano, bisbilisan nyo talaga ng galaw guys para catch up kayo with the group. Can't wait to sleep. Pero bago mag-sleep, kailangan muna mag-pack kasi bukas na maaga, alis kami agad after breakfast. All time for breakfast is 6:30 a.m. and then we will leave the hotel. We should leave the hotel at 7. So, ngayon pa lang prepare ko na yung gamit for tomorrow. Here's our hotel. So, i-end ko na tong vlog guys. See you tomorrow. Ciao! Welcome to Austria!
To west, we're crossing over Verona.
Ito na yung schnitzel, guys. Grabe, ang laki. So, welcome to Germany!
2 country na to in 1 day.
Bottom side!